Manny, well, your Tuesday is off to a summer-like start. Those temperatures are still in the 60s, and you're also going to see some very gustier winds, especially over the next few hours. At the moment, though, look at these temperatures. 67 degrees in Freeport, 69 in Dixon, 67 in Beloit. And when you look at that 24-hour temperature change, you're really going to notice it heading out the door. You could ditch the jackets this morning. We are 26 degrees warmer in Freeport, 23 degrees warmer in Rochelle. So a very pleasant start this morning, and we're only going to continue to climb. Today's record sits at 81 degrees, the record warm low 61. Both those values are in jeopardy as we forecasted a couple degrees higher than that. Also making it the latest 80-degree day this late in the year since about 1950. So it's been quite a while. Soak it in as best you can. And also hang on to the hats. Those wind gusts will really start to ramp up by mid-morning and into the afternoon, gusting anywhere from 35 up to 40 miles per hour. And overnight, much doesn't change. We are still awfully breezy, and even into your Wednesday. Those gusts could reach up to 40 miles per hour through Wednesday night, up to 45 by the time we get into Thursday. So we are settling into a very windy pattern over the next several days. And because it's still dry, very warm, we're also dealing still with the dry soil. That will lead to an elevated fire danger for both your Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we start to see some active weather joining us, especially by Wednesday night. Speaking of, some of us could even see some stronger thunderstorms. A 1 out of 5 does exist for areas to the west of I-39, particularly throughout Greene, Stevenson, Joe Davis, Carroll, and Whiteside counties. If those thunderstorms still hang on to that severe strength, then potential damaging wind gusts and hail will be the biggest concerns. Taking a look at future track, however, we could start to see some activity as early as 6 p.m. on Wednesday evening. Most of that slides in overnight when a lot of us are asleep. Here's about 3 a.m. You could see those pockets of heavy rain at times as that cold front starts to move through. We could still be dealing with some heavier rain early in the morning. This is about 6 a.m. Then everything quickly slides out. So when we look at the spookiest day of the year, for example, we are going to start to see those drier conditions moving in by trick-or-treating hours. But it's going to be cooler. Look, about a 20-degree temperature drop there. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we see some sunshine for the end of the week and then some more active weather late Saturday into Sunday. That could kick off a stretch of active weather, taking us even into Election Day.